Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we are learning addition of fractions. We have here in front of us an example that says 1 over 6 plus 5 over 9. We have to add these two fractions together. So whenever you have to add up fractions, you must have the denominator same. What is denominator? The number given below in a fraction is called a denominator. Here denominator is 6 and here denominator is 9. Since these two numbers are not same, we will have to use an LCM method to come up with a single number which can be rewritten in place of these two numbers. So let's first of all see how do you find the LCM of 6 and 9. Now to find the LCM of 6 and 9, we have to pick up the least prime number, which is 2, which can divide 6. 2 3 is 6 and 9 written as it is. Now let's pick the next prime number, which is 3, which can divide them both. 3 1s is 3 and 3 3s is 9. And then lastly, we keep on dividing until all of our numbers are gone and we have ones in place of them. So our LCM stops over here. So the LCM for these numbers can be written like this. You write these numbers like that and then you multiply them. 2 3s is 6 and 6 3s is 18. So the LCM for 6 and 9 is 18. Now you will have to see how can you make 6 18. I'm writing it again over here for you. Now we have to make this 6 18. Now 6 times what is 18? 6 times 3 is 18. The same multiplier will be written in the numerator as well. Okay. Now coming to the next number, which is 9. How can you make 9 18? Multiply it by 2 and you get 18. Same multiplier will be written in the numerator as well to balance it out. Now multiplying them, 3 1s is 3 and 3 6s is 18 plus 5 2s is 10 and 9 2s is 18. So you see, after having this LCM done, we came up with single denominators, which is written there in the bottom. Now since denominators are same, we can bring them on the merger line and we can write them like this together in the middle 18, and we copy down the numerators as it is on top. Can we add them both? Yes, we can. Now 10 plus 3 is 13 upon 18 is the answer for this fraction. Let's do one more example. Right, this is our next example. We have to add these three fractions together. So before you go on, you know very well that the denominators are all different. We will have to find the LCM first to make them three numbers same. So I'm finding the LCM over here only. The number here is 7, then the denominators over here is 21 and this one is 42. So let's pick the smallest prime number which can divide them all, which is 3. 3 7s is 21 and 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s is 12. Let's pick the next prime number, which is 2. 2 7s is 14, and now in the end we pick 7, which can divide them all. There is no hard and fast rule to go for LCM. You can do it any other way you want to. So the LCM for these three numbers will be 3 times 2 times 7. 3 2s is 6 and 6 7s is 42. So 42 is the LCM for these three numbers. Right. Now since our LCM is 42, so we'll have to convert these numbers in 42 first of all. So what can you do over here with 7 to make it 42? You multiply it with 6. 6 7s is 42, and same multiplier will go in the numerator as well. Now how do you make 21 42? You multiply it by 2 to make it 42, and same multiplier will be written in the numerator as well. Now it's already 42, so nothing to do over here. Just write into 1 and into 1 to show that we have checked for the multiplication as well. Now since we are done with the multiplication thing, let's multiply them all together now. Now 6 4s is 24 and 6 7s is 42 plus 5 2s is 10 and 21 2s is 42 plus 11 1s are 11 and 42 1s is 42. Since all those three denominators have become same, we can bring them on single line. We call it the merger line because it merges all fractions together, and we simply copy down the numerators on it. Now you will have to add up these three numbers and you will get 45 over 42. You can see that these numbers are being cancelled out by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. So your answer is 15 over 14 or 1 whole 1 over 14 answer. So this is how we do the addition of fractions. We will be making another video on subtraction of fractions in the next video of ours. Please stay tuned and don't forget to give me feedback. Thank you.